And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about something that I've neglected for some time. I did a short one a couple of days ago, and it is concerning this Ariens snowblower right here, and this cord right here. This is the pull start cord for this Ariens snowblower. I've had this snowblower for some time, but last year the cord had broke. You know, of course, when I was using it to dig myself out of some snow, it ended up breaking on me, and I neglected. It was towards the end of the snowy season, so it really didn't really affect anything. Because I think it was like the last time I had to use it, or one of the two times that I had to use it. But it has an electric start on it, so with that, I just used that maybe a couple times, and it was the end of the snowy season. But this is something that I have to address because I neglected it at the end of last year, excuse me. And with that being said, you know, I did not know that there was a snow in the forecast. Because when I woke up, I saw this. You know, fortunately, it is not high enough for me to need to use the snow blower. So if it was, and I couldn't get that thing started with the electric start, I'd be in a lot of trouble. Because with anything, things don't work right away, at least the way that they should work. And unfortunately, just a couple of inches. With it being above freezing temperature, I don't think I need to worry about, this snow sticking around. Because in Connecticut, where I live, one day there's snow on the ground, next day there's not. So hopefully, if there's some rain in the forecast, they'll basically clear up this mess that's out here, which really isn't a mess. If you grew up in the Northeast or you drive in the Northeast, stuff like this, it happens a lot. So, but this is something that I need to address as soon as possible, because like I said, if there is a problem with the electric start on this thing, where I'll just take like an extension cord and plug it in here, push that. Of course, you got to do all the priming with it. That's the starter, and it should fire up. But again, if there is any problems with that, then I'm in a world of trouble. That's if I don't get that pull start. I've seen plenty of YouTube videos already, basically heads up. So hopefully within the next couple of days, I'll be able to address it. Hopefully. Follow for more.